Okay, so I've been telling y'all I've got a lot of work to go on this. So I'm not even going to bore you with a whole bunch of talking. Let's just get to it. Let's do this. There we go. Got it all wetted out. Doing this a few more times. Eventually I'll get ready to cut my hole right there for my fuel filler, get everything set up, possibly before I take the thing off and get ready for the panel bond. There is one thing that I want to point out. I keep doing this and I keep layering it up on the car just so that it tries to hold this shape. If y'all don't know, this stuff's got a chemical reaction. It gets warm and sitting in the floor like I had it. If you're not careful, enough layers, you got to throw it on here and it's going to be like, I don't even know what you pulled this off of. That's just the nature of the beast. It's kind of weird how it happens, but it is a plastic. That's why it's called fiberglass reinforced plastic. It becomes a plastic when it's done. However, I'm really liking how it's turning out. I can't wait for my next tube of panel bond to get in. That way I can go ahead and get ready to put all that on there. Maybe the next thing I do to it might be a little bit of body filler. Here, I just wanted to show some proof real quick that doing it like I did with all the screws in there and then glassing on top really helped hold its shape. Look, I mean, every screw is out and this thing's sitting there like it ain't going nowhere. But I'm getting ready to pop it off here, get everything prepped, get my panel bond on there, and we'll go from there. Y'all seen me do this before in previous videos. About to hit it with these 40 grits. Get her nice and keyed up. Ready to accept this panel bond. Let's do this.